Welcome to the tutorial series on the MetaTrader 5 Toolkit by Scope Markets. In this tutorial, the focus will be on adding stop loss and take profit orders on the MetaTrader 5 desktop platform. Let's begin with how to set these levels when placing a new order. To open a trade, click on the New Order button in the toolbar. A window will appear where you select the instrument, order type, and volume. Just below the volume field, you will see two boxes labeled Stop Loss and Take Profit. The stop loss is the price where you want the trade to close if the market moves against you. For example, on a buy order, you could set the stop loss at 0.5209. The take profit is the price where you want the trade to automatically lock in profits. In this case, it could be 0.5274. After entering these levels, click Buy or Sell to place your trade. In this example, we are placing a buy order, so the stop loss is set below the current price at 0.5209 and the take profit above at 0.5274. If you were placing a sell order instead, you would do the opposite. Stop loss above the entry price and take profit below. The order will then appear in the Trade tab of the terminal, with the stop loss and take profit applied. Now, if you already have an open position and want to add or adjust these levels, locate the trade in the Trade tab. If the stop loss and take profit fields are empty, simply right-click on the order and select Modify or Delete. The same order window will open, allowing you to enter new levels. For example, with a buy order where the current price is 0.5247, you could set a take profit at 0.5280 and a stop loss at 0.5209. Once you click Modify, the new levels will be applied to your trade. That is how you set stop loss and take profit orders on MetaTrader 5.